that's a Tsumi. Oh my god. Pretty nice. Made out of heck. Wow. Shibuya. Impressive. Many people. Curry. Oi, 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 oi. And a banana. What are you eating over here? What's this?
It's a melon.
Hiya! What?
Huh?
No, go ahead. Sorry, I thought I misheard you.
It's a melon float.
Wow, look at that.
Organic Japanese.
Come on!
What is that? Peach juice? Well, nothing beats chocolate. Wait, that's not chocolate milk. That's iced cocoa. Huh. What about morning shot from Wanda?
From Wanda?
From Wanda? Yeah, Wanda.
Yeah.
Ah! You gonna buy one right now?
Oh hey, yeah.
Okay. We're actually waiting to go to Mitaka for the Ghibli Museum. We're on our way to the museum.
Guys?
And it's freaking loud with the cicada.
We're gonna see Miyazaki in the flesh.
Yeah, they put him in like a glass cage, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, but just for the cicada.
We can just look at him and like, wow, it's him. Where are the cicadas?
Wait, I think I've seen these.
What? Where? There! I think it's him. We're finally here. We're at the museum. Totoro is right there. There's a pill bug. Wow. That's beautiful. Nice. That's the thing. It's huge. Very cool. This freshly squeezed orange juice. Oh, it's processing.
I think it's less than 1,000. Oh, it sure takes a while.
I was like, why can't I see the screen? And then I was like, oh,
What? Jump to. Oh, oranges are falling. Wow, you're gonna become juice. The orange is sitting there.
Oh, you're recording this?
Yeah.
Nothing's happening.
It says 100%.
Yeah.
Wait. Huh?
Oh, it's
Did you see anything?
No.
I didn't see it. I'll watch the video back and see what I missed. Thanks. Alright. I'm gonna try to get this thing. 100 yen. Alright. How's it look on the side, son? It feels a little... I'll just go from this side. I thought somebody was like behind me or something. That's probably as good as that's gonna get, I think. Let's just try. I'm getting like rocks.